So today our topic would be determiners. What are determiners? Determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make it clear what the noun refers to. Determiners is always followed by a noun. A determiner signals or determines that a noun will follow. For an example, can you hand me that pencil? That is determiner here. Now types of determiners. There are different type of determiners. Determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make clear what the noun refers to. They all come at the beginning of a noun phrases, and usually we cannot use more than one determiner in the same noun phrase. What a noun phrase? A group of words with a noun as its main part. Now examples of noun phrases. My pen, this ceremony, a Coca-Cola can, any question, that jar, a lot of food, a disappointed parent. Examples of determiners. The, an, a, this, one, my, your, a little, which, other, those, most. Let's take this example. The grade 7 Exodus was awarded as the most disciplined section of this month. That man in blue shirt is my brother. Now classes of determiners. There are 8 classes of determiners. Articles, whether it is definite or indefinite, demonstratives, quantifiers, possessives, numbers, cardinal or ordinal, distributives or indefinite pronouns, question words or relative pronouns. Articles. Now let's talk about definite and indefinite articles. A and the. The indefinite articles a or an signal that the reference is non-specific or general. The definite article the signals that the reference is specific. Definite and indefinite articles the, a, an. Example. The visitors are coming. A box of chocolate was eaten by Lance. Now demonstratives. Demonstratives are used to point to something specific instead of something general, showing who or what is being referred to. In singular, it is this and that. In plural, these, those. Example. This pair of shoes is mine. I think that girl is their leader. Quantifiers. Quantifier tell us the number of each noun. They tell us how much or how many. They are used with the noun to show the amount of something. Examples of quantifiers used are few, much, most, some, any, more, little, many, a lot of, other, enough, such. Examples. Some students are not in their proper uniform. Most student teachers are staying at the library. Possessives. My, your, his, her, its, are, theirs. Possessive. A form of word that shows that something or someone belongs to someone. Possessive are used to show who or what the thing or the noun belongs to. Example. My brother John will be celebrating his birthday tomorrow. I'll show you our new pet. Cardinal and ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers used in simple counting and shows quantity 1, 10, 30, 40, 2, 9. The 2 dogs are barking outside. 30 leaders attended the seminar. Ordinal numbers. These are used to show the position of someone or something in series. First, last, 50, 20. Example. Luffy defeated the first commander in Blackbeard Pirates. Distributives. Both, either, each, all, half, neither, every. A word referring singly without exception to the member of the group are distributives. Example. Every human being is unique. All grade 7 students are industrious. Question words or relative pronouns. Whose, which, what, whatever. Examples. Kit is the guy whose mother is the famous singer. He does not know what he is saying. I hope now the determiners are clear to you. So in this video we learnt about what are determiners, which are determiners are the words which are placed in front of a noun to make it clear what the noun refers to. Then we even learnt about the types of determiners like definite, indefinite, demonstratives, then distributives, then numbers, then possessives, quantifiers and articles, indefinite or definite. And now children, please read determiners or fixing word, the chapter given in your Bravia, and I shall be uploading one more video based on determiners for the further revision. Thank you.